Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop dishwashers, the Midea MDC22P1ABB and the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher. Both are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for dorms, RVs, and apartments. Today, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and see how they stack up against each other in terms of capacity, portability, and drying capabilities. Let's start with capacity. The Midea MDC22P1ABB offers 6 place settings, making it suitable for larger loads. In contrast, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher has a slightly smaller capacity with 5 place settings. This difference can be crucial for users who frequently wash dishes for more people. Next, let's discuss portability. The Midea requires a direct faucet connection, which might limit its placement options. On the other hand, the Hermitlux features a built-in water tank, allowing for greater flexibility in where you can use it. This makes the Hermitlux a more portable option for those without easy access to a sink. Finally, let's look at drying capabilities. The Hermitlux offers a dedicated drying cycle with auto ventilation, ensuring your dishes come out dry and ready to use. The Midea, while it has an extra drying function, does not provide the same level of efficiency. This could be a deciding factor for those who prioritize quick drying. In conclusion, both the Midea MDC22P1ABB and the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher have their strengths and weaknesses. The Midea excels in capacity and washing programs, while the Hermitlux shines in portability and drying features. Depending on your specific needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.